Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're focusing on a vital internal component for the DJI Matrice 30 and Matrice 30T RTK drones. Specifically, we're looking at the ESC cable that connects the electronic speed controller to the core board. This is a flat cable, often needed as a replacement part if the original becomes damaged or worn over time. When dealing with professional-grade equipment like the Matrice series, having reliable spare parts is absolutely critical to minimize downtime and ensure continued operational readiness. This particular cable is offered as a direct replacement designed to fit the Matrice 30 and 30T RTK models. It's described as a 2-in-1 cable, suggesting it might handle multiple connections or functions within that link between the ESC and the core board, which is central to the drone's flight control system. The information provided highlights several key attributes of this replacement cable. Firstly, the product quality is stated to be very good. For component handling signals between the flight controller and the motor speed controllers, quality is paramount. A high-quality cable ensures reliable data transmission, which directly impacts the drone's performance and safety. Poor quality cables can lead to intermittent issues, signal loss, or even component failure. So knowing this replacement is noted for its quality is reassuring for operators. Secondly, it's presented as a better replacement for old or broken parts. This implies that it meets or exceeds the specifications of the original component, providing a reliable fix for a common point of failure or wear. Over time, flat cables can be susceptible to damage from vibration, bending, or environmental factors, making replacement a necessity for maintaining the drone's integrity. Durability and wear resistance are also mentioned as characteristics of this cable. This is crucial for a part located within a drone, which experiences various stresses during flight and operation. A durable cable is less likely to fail prematurely, offering a longer service life and reducing the frequency of repairs. Wear resistance suggests it can withstand the physical demands placed upon it within the drone structure. Furthermore, the cable is said to offer stable performance. Stable performance in this context means consistent and reliable communication between the ESCs and the core board. This translates directly to the drone's ability to execute flight commands accurately, maintain stable flight, and respond predictably to controls. Unstable performance from this connection could lead to erratic motor behavior, loss of control, or other critical flight issues. Therefore, stable performance is a non-negotiable requirement for such a component. One very important point emphasized is the need for caution during installation. Replacing internal drone components, especially delicate flat cables, requires a certain level of technical skill and careful handling. These cables often connect via sensitive connectors that can be easily damaged if not properly aligned and seated. Applying too much force, bending the cable sharply, or misaligning the connector pins can render the new part useless or even damage the boards it connects to. Therefore, anyone undertaking this replacement should ensure they have the necessary tools, knowledge, and a steady hand, perhaps even consulting service manuals or video guides specific to the Matrice 30 series disassembly and reassembly process. Taking the time to install it correctly will prevent damage and ensure the cable functions as intended, restoring the drone's capabilities. In summary, this ESC cable for the DJI Matrice 3030T RTK is presented as a high-quality, durable, and stable replacement part. It addresses the potential need to fix or refresh the critical link between the drone speed controllers and its core flight processing unit. While the part itself is vital for restoring functionality, successful repair hinges significantly on the careful and correct installation process. For operators and repair technicians maintaining Matrice 30 series drones, having access to reliable spare parts like this cable is essential for keeping these complex aircraft in optimal flying condition.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.